What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gasspas token, and that is spelled G-A-S-S-P-A-S, and ticker symbol is GAS, G-A-S-S. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain. It's trending number 4 on DEX Screener right now. Millions of dollars of market cap, came out under a week ago. And this token just got a very big central exchange listing, and this token is based off of a new Matt Furie character. Matt Furie is obviously famous for Pepe and the Boys Club, all sorts of other characters. Speaking of Matt Furie tokens, I'm posting a video today on the new Landwolf on BSC presale that's just starting right now. So make sure you check out that Landwolf on BSC presale video that I'm doing. But for this video, we're going to be talking about the new Matt Furie character, Gasspas, and the new Memecoin based off of this character. And so we're going to go over that and how to get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Gasspas cat. So this token has a Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over here at Gasspas cat. It says Gasspas the cat, the newest Matt Furie character, has a full link tree that's going to take you anywhere you need to go. You can see it's a brand new project, just joined Twitter May 2025, 1,606 followers already. Blue verified checkmark, very active on the socials, 109 Twitter posts already. And they have a community on X too. If you scroll down on the Twitter, you're going to see a community that has 248 members already. They have the contract address posted right in the community. It's called the Gasspas Gang. And it says, this cat has been featured in Matt Furie's latest book with Rado. Now, Rado is another very popular token. Basically, there's some new Matt Furie content coming out, and he's releasing new characters. And when he releases a new character, most likely there will be a meme coin based off of that character. Now, it is not from Matt Furie himself. These meme coins are not from him. They are just based off his characters. They are homages to his characters, just like the Pepe token was. And this token here is just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, and it is available now on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search GASS, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you want to see more socials, you want to find charts, you want to find all sorts of links, go to that link tree there. And they have the website, Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, DEX Screener chart, Etherscan. It's an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. And then you can also find a CoinMarketCap chart, CoinGecko, a TikTok, and then there's also a link to OpenSea where you could get Gasspas cat NFTs. So that's cool as well there. So this token here, if you go over to their chart on DEX Screener, right now they're trending number 4. They're up 14% today. Token price is almost, looks like 9 cents per token. Market cap and fully diluted valuation is $3.9 million today. $2 million in trade volume just today, 3,756 transactions. They have $256,000 worth of liquidity in Uniswap, and according to DEX Screener, 100% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. This token pair was created 6 days, 17 hours ago on Uniswap, so it's a very brand new token here. And they have a Go Plus security audit, Quick Intel security audit, and honeypot.is security audit, all on Dex Screener. And it says no issues on all of them. But keep in mind, those are just quick audits. They're not full audits. They don't go over everything. So always, thoroughly do your own research. But they also got 100 out of 100 on Token Sniffer. 3,293 holders so far, and 2 liquidity providers for Uniswap. Now, if you go to their Telegram at GassPasCat, they have 1,153 subscribers. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project. You can preview the channel before joining. They have here a max total supply of 420,690,000,000,000 tokens, and there's 18 decimal places on this token. So in their pinned tweet, they talked about here, it says, Matt Furie just confirmed Gasspas. This is absolutely insane. We've been in contact with Dave, who's followed by Matt Furie on X, and he actually put the effort in contacting Matt Furie on our behalf. In their convo, he straight up asked Matt if the cat in the Cortex Vortex is Gasspas from the ZOGZ collection, and Matt literally replied yes. So this is the confirmation that we've all been waiting for from the man himself. The narrative just became undeniable. Buckle up, things are about to get wild with the Gasspas cat. So they're pretty excited about the confirmation there on the Twitter. And besides that, this token here, their webpage has all sorts of links on it as well. And it says here, Matt Furie, the artist who's been known for creating Pepe the Frog, has been working on a new book. The news comes from the editor, who goes by the handle at BEUYS_on_sale_ on Instagram. In a recent post, the editor hinted at an upcoming project featuring the new character named Gasspas and Rado. Check out the Rado video I posted. Gasspas' visual appearance can be inferred from the artwork. In one illustration, Gasspas is depicted looming over 2 rats, Rado and Wat, gazing down at them in a menacing way. An image has been circulating among collectors. This inferred that Gasspas is Rado's nemesis in the new book Cortex Vortex, reinforced by the community quips that cats eat rats. Gasspas debuted as a character in ZOGZ, a collection of 111 original NFT characters illustrated by Matt Furie, launched in May 2023. So go check this project out. Check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc global one, where this token just got listed. And thanks for watching. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.